Hi guys, it's Erica here. So I wanted to address the concern that some people had of, why they had to pay to join my team or through the Wi-Fi wealth system. So I was the very same way. When I was looking for work from home jobs, I was looking for a position that I can do that didn't require a startup cost. I thought that any position that was out there that required a startup cost was a scam. But the truth is, with the Wi-Fi wealth system, it is a totally free system. What you're paying for is the benefits for MCA. So you're not paying a startup cost. What you're paying for is the benefits, the $150,000 worth of benefits. So you're paying that $39.90 to get started with the benefits. So if you're going to sell a product, you need to be able to know what that product is about. If I was a salesperson at a dealership, I would need to know about the cars that I would be selling. So it's the same way with MCA. We want you to be able to take a part of the membership so that you can see what you're selling. MCA offers $150,000 worth of benefits, including towing, credit card protection, just a whole list of things. So you want to be able to know the product that you are selling. So you're not paying a startup cost. You are paying for the membership to get started. The Wi-Fi wealth system is such an amazing tool, and it's a free tool with free training. It keeps track of all your leads, and it introduces you to other income streams. So it is really, really an awesome opportunity, and I chose to to be a part of it, just because I have seen people totally making it with the Wi-Fi wealth system, being a part of MCA. So it's just really, really an awesome opportunity, and I feel really positive about it. The creator of the Wi-Fi wealth system, Angie Long, she literally brings home, or not brings home, it's deposited into your account every Friday. Is deposited into her account $2,000 to $3,000 every single Friday, and this is just from MCA. So it is totally a great opportunity that leads to financial freedom. And with everything that you are a part of, whether it's your job, there are different costs. So when you're working a regular job, you're paying for gas, you're paying for toll fees. If your job is further away, you're paying for uniforms, you're paying for background checks if your job doesn't cover that. So it just depends on what it is. So, and you even pay for benefits on your job. You're paying for your health insurance, you're paying for your life insurance or your vision insurance, whatever it may be that your benefits cover, you're paying for that. And that's what is through MCA. You're paying for the $150,000 worth of benefits, and this is just such an awesome program. So I just wanted to bring you this video just to explain more of what it's about. This is the Wi-Fi wealth system is a totally free program, and it is for people who are motivated and ready to just lead the way to financial freedom. This not only is just an opportunity through MCA, it's an opportunity through other income streams as well. So when you join, you're going to get introduced to other opportunities as well. Just make it happen. Angie is just making it happen every single Friday. And as you continue to build your team at MCA, you get paid off of your team. You get paid when you continue to build your team. And it's just really, really awesome. So like I said, do your research, and if you are ready to take on this journey to financial freedom, just jump right in. Go ahead and click the link below to get started if you're ready. Like I said, do your research, because even before I joined MCA, before I joined the Wi-Fi wealth system, I did my research, saw what it was all about. And Angie is there. You know, she's I'm a part of a group called the Wi-Fi Wealth Babes on Facebook, and I mean, it's just, you're dealing with a real person. So these are real people. This is real money that people are actually bringing in every single week. So like I said, do your research. You know, if you're interested in getting started today, click the link below. Find me on Facebook. But I just wanted to bring that to you. You know, it's all about your mindset. Are you going to stay at the same mindset of where you know, you're just not going to invest in it to just bring home those 200% commissions? Or are you ready to have a mindset where you know that you can do it, where the free training and tools are there to help you, and you're just going to rock it out? Our group is there. We're there to support our members, and you know, just ready to make it happen. So if you're ready to make it happen, ready to start leading yourself towards financial freedom, you know, go ahead, do your research. Like I said, click the link below and get started today. So just make every day your best day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.